Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you how to add someone to Find My iPhone step by step. Whether you want to share your location with a family member or a friend, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed on all iPhones running iOS 13 or later. If you can't find it, simply swipe down on your home screen and search for Find My. Once you've located the app, tap to open it. Next, go to the People tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Start Sharing Location. Tap on it, then enter the name, phone number, or email address of the person you want to add. Tap on the plus icon, then select the contacts you want to add. Once you've entered their details, tap Send to send them an invitation. After sending the invitation, you'll be asked how long you want to share your location. You can choose to share for 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. If you want the person to always have access to your location, select Share Indefinitely. Once you've made your choice, tap OK. Now, all you need to do is wait for the person to accept your invitation. They'll receive a notification, and once they accept, they'll be able to see your device's location in their own Find My app. To verify that the sharing is set up correctly, go back to the People tab in the Find My app. You should see the person's name listed under People. Tap their name to see their location, or adjust sharing settings if needed. A couple of important notes. Both you and the person you're sharing with need to be signed into iCloud with your Apple IDs. Also, location sharing works both ways. You can see their location if they share it with you. And if you ever want to stop sharing your location, simply go to the People tab, tap their name, and select Stop Sharing My Location. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more tips and tricks.